Hi everybody. This is a Whirlpool microwave and this is the model number for it. Today I'm going to set the clock. It's only a couple minutes off and fixing it is pretty simple. It says 4:43, but let's see what time it actually is. It's really 4:38. So, to fix the time on the microwave, all we have to use is the clock button and the keypad to set the right time. First, just press the clock button, and then that puts it into programming mode. Now just read the screen. It says to set the time in hours and minutes. So, let's check again. It's 4:39. Type 4:39, and then press the clock button one more time. And now the time is set. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.